What's going on, my peoples? Welcome back to the channel, man. Alright, so as you saw, we got the brake and stuff that we needed off of a Blazer out in the junkyard. Also got a console for an Impala out in the junkyard. All these items are for the Malibu. And we back at it, we back at working. And one of the things I got going on right now is I'm trying to get these brakes, the brakes and stuff cleaned up. So what I went ahead and did was went ahead and bought a couple of these wire wheels, and then there's a sanding pad that I found, this thing here, that's actually working wonders. So I went ahead and started this process, started kind of like sanding on it, and they are coming pretty clean. As you can see, it's getting down to that metal. And like literally, when I said it took no time to do this, it took no time just to get what I got right here. So I mean, I could easily go back in real quick and then just kind of like wipe these down, at least wipe the dust off of them. God dog, you just gonna just start sanding on it? Yes, I am, because I ain't got time for all that. So we're gonna go ahead and get these sanded up. I'm gonna get them cleaned up. And now look, man, I might hit my flips. You know what I'm saying? You know, the express socks, but I don't care about life. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these all sanded up, man. I'm not gonna bore y'all with the semantics, you know what I mean, and sanding them up. There's no need in watching me sand them, you know what I mean. I'm literally gonna be sitting here pulling the trigger all day. So I'm gonna get these cleaned up, and we're gonna come back and tap back in, y'all, with that and some other stuff you did. So, but before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops. You did. Alright, so as you can see, I sanded one up pretty good. This is the other one there. Actually, let's get this up on the table real quick. Let me show y'all some progress real quick. And so I am gonna come back and hit like a little bit of the corner here, like little stuff like that, with some sandpaper. I'm gonna go with a strong sandpaper. And then I'm gonna primer it, get it all primered up, and we're gonna sit it down, let it dry, and I'm gonna get it wrapped up. I'm not gonna color it. I'm not gonna coat it yet with a color. And I'm still kind of trying to decide what color I'm gonna go with. The wheels that I'm gonna go with, I'm still up in the air with. Leaning kind of towards a black wheel to go on the car. But I don't know. So, but that's what that looks like. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. So with the choice of wheels, like I said, black, or it's gonna probably be an all brush aluminum or all brush wheel, or a black with a chrome. I don't know if I want to do any chrome, but it's a possibility it may be a black with a chrome lip. If that's the case, I'm gonna paint these things red. However, I'm leaning towards painting it white. I'm nervous about painting it white because once you clear coat it, sometimes whites don't turn out to be as white as they should be. You might, you know, get like a hint of yellow added to it. So, but with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and continue sanding down. I do want to at least get the caliper part done tonight. Then we can knock the rest of these out later on, maybe tomorrow, definitely tomorrow, and then get them all primered up. You did. So stay tuned. so as you can tell, we done finally sanding. So got these all sanded up. Just got them kind of like laying out here right now. It is ridiculously cold outside. It's the I lost light, so it's a no-go for the day, and it may be a no-go for tomorrow. So I may not be able to tap in and get these sprayed until Saturday. Today is Thursday. It's gonna be cold Saturday, but I think I'm gonna take a chance, man, and get on up out of there and get them sprayed. I went and bought the paint today, got the primer and all that good stuff up here. So we ready to go, man. We're gonna get these sprayed up. We did. So stay tuned, man. When I come back, it's gonna be a couple days later, and we're gonna get them done. You did. So stay tuned. So I laid down the first coat, laid down the second coat of primer. Right now, I'm letting it dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and put caliper paint on it. We went ahead and got the VHT caliper paint. So yeah, that's what we're gonna use for this job. So I'm finna go ahead and get ready to lay that red down. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, let this primer dry, make sure it's dry. Lay the red, and then we're gonna let it dry a little bit, then we're gonna stick them all in the oven and let them bake. I'm gonna put them on 175 and let it bake for an hour. Yeah, so stay tuned. First coat of red. All right, so I got about two coats, I'm sorry. I got 2 coats on here. I'm gonna probably hit it one last time. They're turning out good. They turn out real good. And so I got the inside of these. So yeah. All right, people, so this is pretty much gonna be the final product. You did. So they all red. Man, they turned out great. I like the way the paint laid on them, and all that good jazz. As you can see, I got them on these baking pans, so you already know what's gonna happen. I'm finna throw these in the oven. Finna bake them at 175 for an hour, and then that's gonna be it. You dig? So with that being said, people, I appreciate y'all, man. Ain't no need for me to coming back on this. Like I said, it is gonna bake. Ain't nothing gonna change. You know what I mean? They're just gonna harden up. So with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for checking back in, man. We active, we busy. All 2024 is coming. You did. So I'm gonna go and throw these in there, man, and then I'm gonna check in with y'all later with the next video. You did. So holla at you.